If you want to add a contact to home screen on a Samsung Galaxy A37, first we're gonna go to the phone app. Over here in phone app, of course, you want to make sure that you have the contacts list opened, and then you want to choose the contact that you wish to add to the home screen. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here and use the eye icon on the right side. Now here we can tap on more at the bottom of the screen, and then you should be able to find add contact to home screen. Then we're gonna choose whichever the shortcut should do. So you can either immediately call the contact if you use the shortcut. You can also open the message. You can start writing a message, or you can just view the contact info. So in my case, I'm gonna choose the last one. And then we can add it to the home screen by using the add option, or you can press and hold your finger and just drag and drop it anywhere you want to. So now if I tap on that contact shortcut, I should be able to open the contact info as I selected. Leave a like and subscribe.